Operating a Steamshine Regalia. Basically what you want to do, you want to make sure that you fill up the unit every day by opening the valve and to show the back valve, the air release valve in the back. Basically you lift the safety up and you open it up and you pour water inside in the top funnel until a few drops come out. When the unit is full, then you close both valves. The water level between here and the top of the unit is where you're gonna build the saturated steam. In the morning when you first press the foot switch, the pressure will drop very quickly. It will drop because the first time you have hot air, you don't have saturated steam. So after you get rid of the hot air, the pressure goes up and it's going to be constant. When the unit has very low water, you'll find out that the pressure drops very quickly. It will recoup very quickly too, but it will drop very quickly. That's a sign that you need to stop and then fill it up with water. The unit requires very little maintenance. Basically, once a month you need to turn the unit on its back. Do not turn it upside down. Turn the unit on its back and take out the water sediments that most likely will be at the bottom. The water quality is going to determine the longevity of the valves. If you have very hard water, most likely they will act as an abrasive on the fill valve and the rest of the components, solenoid valve. So we strongly suggest to use reverse osmosis. It's probably the best water for you to drink. It has much fewer minerals than regular tap water, and the unit will function much better. However, it's very critical that you never put water in a hot tank. This is the main reason why most units require service. If the water level goes below the heating element, well, not once or twice, but by the fifth time, most likely the heating element will burn out. On these units, the heating element is dry all the time. So it does not affect the water level, the heating element. However, it's not recommended to have the water level go much below the heating element. And even if it does, basically nothing happens. However, it's critical that you do not fill up the unit while the tank is hot. On the Regalia units, the diamond powder should be filled up every 6 months. Every 6 months you dump whatever is in there and you put fresh stuff in it. The liquid level in the polishing tank stays constant all the time. You will see immediately if you're going to need sooner than 6 months to refill the tank. Unlikely, but if you have a very large, extremely large store, or very high traffic, or actually a manufacturing company, then most likely you will need to fill it more often. An average store with, let's say, 3-4 salespeople, sometimes it lasts even for a year. The buffing compound that goes inside, it costs about $25 a quart, and it lasts between 6 months and a year for a regular store. It lasts a very long time.